In this video, I'm going to show you how you can switch between workspaces in ClickUp. If you have several workspaces and you'd like to switch from one to another, it is quite simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your current workspace, and you'll see the name of your workspace up here. To switch or in the switch, go ahead and click on this drop down, and this will go ahead and list all the workspaces you have. Currently, I'm on this home workspace, but I like to switch to this Final Labs workspace. And as you can see, we have an option here to switch workspaces. So I can just simply click on this second workspace and I'll have switched to the other workspace. So that's how you can switch between workspaces and ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.